There are times when a student with a disability may approach you and ask for an accommodation to an assessment. You can set accommodations for all assessment types in LoudCloud. To do so, you begin by going into edit mode by clicking on the pencil. From here, you may see accommodation listed across the top, but if not, you can click on more and go to accommodation. Here, if you have accommodations set for a student, they will be listed here. But to add a new student, you click on Add Students. Find the student that you would like to set the accommodation for and click Grant Accommodation. On this page, you'll see the student's name that you're setting the accommodation for, the class end date, and the different kinds of assessments within the course. And at the bottom will be the Save button for saving all your changes once you've got them completed. We're going to set accommodation first for an assignment. So we'll click on Bulk Accommodations. This will allow us to set the accommodations for all assignments in the course. There are two options. There's the option for duration and a due date. The duration would be a time where you maybe have an assignment open for 7 days, but the student requires double time. So you could set that by clicking on the 2, and now this student will have 14 days to complete that assignment. There's also the due date option, which if it's due perhaps on Sunday, you can set them to allow them to have 3 extra days for their assignment. So it would be due on Wednesday for them. Once you set your accommodations, click on Apply. And you will see it pop up here for them. For quizzes, there's one other option, and that is the quiz duration. So if a quiz is a timed quiz and the student has an hour, you can give them double time on their quiz as well by clicking 2, and now that student will have 2 hours to complete that quiz. Once you've made those changes, click Save and OK. And then we can go back to our path, go into preview mode, and now when we look at a quiz for in the path, you'll see that we have one accommodated student.